Now here's a great trade that silver presented us with in the summer of 2025. Now earlier in the year, around the summer, end of June, I pointed out this strong seasonal pattern for us. Now if you look at silver, straight away you can see that silver's strongest month of the year is in July. And also August tends to be a positive month. Now, at the time of making this video in 2025, the end of June, I was pointing out to traders that the macro situation for silver was great. The gold-silver ratio was above 100, a very important metric for buying silver. And on top of that, it looked like the Fed was starting to signal interest rate cuts. There was a weakening in the US labor market. Yields were heading lower. The dollar was heading lower. That's a rocket fuel for commodities. And silver often gets overshadowed by its big brother gold, but in this particular macro situation, there was a great opportunity for buying silver as well as gold, and seasonals just gave us an even better reason to enter into the trade, with seasonals confirming the macro situation. Now, if you look from the 30th of June through to the 1st of September, enjoying that strong July and August pattern, you can see that the average return was over 6.17%, right? And the maximum gain has been a whopping 52.60% here in 2020. And the seasonal pattern this year played out over 15%. What a great opportunity. We pointed out technically that price was holding above the Bollinger Bands on the weekly time frame, 2 weekly closes above the upper edge of the Bollinger Band, confirming a momentum play. And many traders don't realize that Bollinger Bands are probably best played as momentum plays when price is actually above the upper band. You can buy in on any pullbacks, and stops can be placed underneath the 20 moving average for a healthy, safe stop placement in normal momentum situations where price is just clearly breaking out. And silver really did match all the criteria for that, and that was a great trade. My best trade of the year was this silver long, and you can see the seasonal pattern here for 2025. Look, it was a 15.90% return. Not bad. Remember, if you were following Seasonax, you would have been able to see this trade. It was a great potential opportunity. Sign up here at Seasonax where you can get thousands of seasonal patterns just like this. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it.